here today to look at this 24m Dribble Bar, which is a special request from a customer who wanted to be able to move from working at full 24m width with the press of a button reduced down to 18m and then 16 and then 15 to suit 4 different tramline widths that he was working at on his customers' farms. So how we have done that, we have included these flow control valves in each of the 40mm delivery outlets, so we can close off each of the delivery hoses along the bottom, group them, we can do them individually simply by the press of a button on the isobus screen in the tractor. This system is full isobus control along with the flow monitoring system and is completely customizable from the screen in the tractor cab, and it allows full control of the system. So not only can we reduce down at the press of a button from 24m to 18 to 16 to 15 across the whole width of the machine, this can be done on one side only for allowing corner turns, headland turns, or where there's overlap, allowing complete control of the slurry while it's being applied on the crop. So the flow monitoring system on the Dribble Bar is done with this 5-inch magnetic flow meter, and the whole system is controlled through the isobus terminal in the cab onto this control box, where I've integrated all the electronics and all the air control system. The air is powered from the tractor's air brakes, so it means that the whole system is completely integrated into the tractor with no additional requirements, and it's a plug-and-play system. So a nice wee feature on the 24m Dribble Bar is the spring-loaded end section of the boom. So if you happen to catch a hedge or something during a headland turn, this will spring back, and then we'll let go, it springs back into the working position. It saves any damage on the machine, means it's easy, nothing to be done from the tractor seat, just keep driving and spreading. So the beauty and the simplicity and the versatile of the SlurryKat 24m Dribble Bar is lightweight, it's under 2 tons. It's a simple plug-and-play dribble bar, no special frames, no special tractor requirements. You just hook the dribble bar on, plug all your hoses and your services in, and go and spread slurry. It's just as simple as that. Simple, easy, versatile, SlurryKat.